Out of 50 questions, our next question is sixth question. That one is capacitance. So capacitance units are farads, and capacitance having a two parallel plates and dielectric medium in between two parallel plates, and the symbol of capacitor is here given. And here also you remember, here this is a one parallel plate and this one is another parallel plate, and capacitor functionalities it completely opposite of inductance. So in inductor it opposes the sudden change of current, but in capacitor it opposes the sudden change of voltage. That one is a current and this one is a voltage. So which stores the energy in electromagnetic field is a inductor, but which stores the energy in electrostatic field is a capacitor. The formulas here given gunshot formulas. Q is equal to CV. Here Q is a charge, so that one depends upon the capacitor capacity and potential energy. And C we can talk about epsilon A by D. It depends upon the cross sectional area and permittivity of the capacitor. D means distance between the two parallel plates, and I is directly proportional to dq by dt. So from that we can get it both voltage and current values. I is equal to C into dV by dt, and V equal to 1 by C integration 0 to infinity into I dt. If you feel this information is worthy and useful for you in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you students, and all the best for your external exam.